Okay, the first step is maximize vertical space. It's about when working with a small footprint, think upwards. Install shelves, loft beds, and hanging storage solution to keep the floor uncluttered. And the second step is multi-purpose furniture is the key. Opt for pieces that serve more than one function, like a sofa that transforms into a bed or a dining table with hidden storage underneath. And the third step is let there be light. Natural light makes any small space feel larger. Use large windows, skylights, and light colored interiors to create an airy open feel. And the fourth step is smart storage solution. Utilize every nook and cranny under stairs, inside walls, or even hidden compartments in floors. Custom built storage helps you stay organized without sacrificing styles. The fifth step is outdoor extension. If possible, design a foldable deck or a cover porch. This expand your living space without increasing the house footprint. The sixth step is energy efficiency. Consider about the solar panels, rainwater collection system, and composting toilet to make your tiny home eco-friendly and self-sufficient. Remember, a tiny house is not just about downsizing, it's about upgrading your lifestyle by focusing on what truly matters. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and start building your dream tiny home. Would you like me to adjust the tone, maybe make it more formal or add specific DIY project ideas? Let me know in the comment below.